I look over the wall. I look over the wall. I walk over the bridge. I walk over the bridge. I hide behind the tree. I hide behind the tree.
I wait behind the door. I wait behind the door.
I sit under the tree. I hide under the table. I drive through the tunnel. I drive through the tunnel.
I walk through the park. I walk through the park.
I walk across the street. I walk across the street.
I run across the field. I run across the field.
I sleep in the bed. I sleep in the bed.
I work in the kitchen. I work in the kitchen.
I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair.
I sleep on the sofa. I sleep on the sofa.
I stand near the door. I stand near the door. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I walk to work. I walk to work.
I go to school. I go to school.
I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. I shout at the dog. I shout at the dog.
I hear music from outside. I hear music from outside. I take water from the fridge. I take water from the fridge.
I stand beside the car. I stand beside the car.
I stand between two cars. I stand between two cars.
I walk between the trees. I walk between the trees.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.